Hello dear student, this is Rajwant Singh and today I am going to teach you the some important facts of SST early humans of class 6. So my dear student, let's start. I have told you in the previous videos the every fact that is given in your book. So today I want to tell you the some important fact. So let's start. Stone Age. What is Stone Age? My dear student, you have to know about this. What is Stone Age? Why we say this period as a Stone Age? Very simple. In this time, people use maximum the stone. They use to make ornaments. They use to make weapons, to kill the animals and fulfill their needs of food. So my dear student, in that period the stone was very important thing because it fulfilled the many purposes of that people. So this age is called as Stone Age. The prehistoric age is also known. The prehistoric age is also known as the Stone Age, and because stone were used on a large scale on that time, so this is called Stone Age. It is divided into 4 periods. Stone Age is divided into 4 periods. First, Paleolithic, second, Mesolithic, third, Neolithic, and the fourth, Chalcolithic. These 4 types are of Stone Age, and the time was divided during the some periods that is given here, around 2 lakhs to 12,000 years ago. This is Paleolithic. And the second, Mesolithic, around 12,000 to 10,000 years ago. And the Neolithic, around 6,000 to 4,000 years ago. My dear student, the last and fourth part, Chalcolithic, is around 4,000 to 1,700 years ago. These are the timing of this period. So dear student, some other facts we will discuss. The word Paleolithic has come from 2 Greek words, paleo and lithos. And the meaning of paleo is old and the lithos means stone, respectively. The name itself shows the importance of stone tools and implements. My dear student, this period started around 2 million years ago and ended in about 12,000 years ago. And the next 4 ages are under between Stone Age that I have told you just now, Paleolithic age. Paleolithic age is also known as the Old Stone Age. This vast period has been divided by historians into lower, middle, and upper Paleolithic ages. They have divided this into three parts. So, dear student, some techniques of tool making. This is also important. The early humans applied two major techniques to make tools. The first technique of tool making applied by the early human is stone is termed as the stone on stone technique. In this technique, the pebble selected to be converted into a tool was held in one hand, and then another piece of stone serving as a sort of hammer was held in the other hand. And the second major technique has been termed as pressure flaking. And in this technique, the piece of stone from which the tool was to be made was placed on a surface. The hammer stone was used. Generally, another piece of stone placed on the core and flakes were removed from it. So, dear student, thus the core could be given different shapes, and we will reach the next point. You can say the next important point. So, see this. Early human kept a fire burning at the entrance of his cave to prevent the wild animals that is very dangerous, for example lion, and etc. etc. Gradually, the practice of eating cooked food was started. Sites are those places where archaeologists discover tools, implements, and the other artifacts of the historical importance. So, my dear student, it's very important to know about these things. These artifacts enable us historical importance to understand different aspects of our life, of our ancient predecessor had left. So, my dear student, historical sites have been found on the earth's surface, under the earth, and even underwater on some occasions. Associated with the Paleolithic age have been discovered across the Indian subcontinent. So, my dear student, places where stone tools have been found are known as factory site. As Paleolithic people led a nomadic life, it can be presumed that they might not have stayed there for long. But, however, there are some sites where they might have lived for a longer period. This is evident from the types of artifact found there, which include not only stone but also the objects and structured by they used for other purposes. So my dear student, it is must to know this. Most of these sites associated with the Paleolithic people, and I think the rock shelters and caves are also included in this. So my dear student, Mesolithic age. Around 12,000 years ago, major changes came about in the climatic conditions prevailing throughout the world. As you know, as a result, the climate became relatively warm, but it is marked the beginning of the Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age that I have told you already. So, dear student, domestication of plants and animals. After some time, people has settled everything. Then they thought to domesticize the animals and the plants for their living. Domestication began in Mesolithic age, and the process of selecting and gradually training animals and the art of growing food is called domestication. So my dear student, they made their own house to live there. In the Mesolithic age, man made their own primitive houses, which were usually built in the river valleys. And why they live there? Why they make their houses in the river valley? So my dear student, because in these regions there was plenty of water and fertile soil for growing their crops, so that they work. So my dear student, you have to know this. Remains of human burials have been found at the some Mesolithic sites. The dead were buried along with offerings such as food and ornament also. So my dear student, this is very important for you that Mesolithic age, in Mesolithic age the houses were made, the domestication of plants and animals are settled in this age, and we will discuss the next point, rock paintings, precious remains of the past, that is put there, and that is a sign of past. So my dear student, one of the most important sources about the early humans are the rock paintings of the Stone Age found around the world areas. So dear student, at the rock shelters of Bhimbetka located in Madhya Pradesh, more than 500 paintings by Paleolithic and Mesolithic humans have been found. These caves have been listed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. That I have told you already in the previous video. So my dear students, some important facts are here that I want to discuss with you. Historians believe that life originated on this planet some 3,500 million years ago. This is the supposing of historians. They believe that, but this is not fact, but we have to believe this. And the next, human beings in their earliest stage were gatherers. The prehistoric age is also called the Stone Age. The Stone Age is divided into Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age, and the New Stone Age. So my dear student, one of the greatest discoveries made by the early humans was the discovery of fire. They have discovered the fire. The climate started getting warmer during the Mesolithic age, changing the life of early humans. My dear student, I want to tell you the last and very important point. During the Mesolithic period, humans also developed interest in art, especially cave painting. They made their paintings on the cave's wall, and they are very interested in the painting, art, and etc. etc. So my dear student, that's all for today, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.